Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find quick start guide for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by open Philips headphones application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the right bottom. And right here we have product information. You need to tap at this line. And here's quick start guide. Tap at this line also, and right here we have it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.